Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. We actually have 3-in-1 news to render. One has to do with the rumored information that Nnamdi Kanu will be transferred or is on his way to be transferred to India, and of course what is going on right now when it comes to the issue of the health status of Sunday Igboho, who is right now in Benin Republic. And the third one is the full report of what transpired during the campaign rally for APGA ahead of Anambra elections, and what the security agencies are doing right now over the UGM saga. Before going to the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, excuse me, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let us start with what the lead lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lead counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, has quashed reports that his client has been transferred to India for medical attention. In a statement on Wednesday, which he personally signed, Ejiofor said he was with Kanu on Monday for a pre-trial briefing and will still be with him tomorrow, which is also on Thursday. The rearrested Kanu is presently in custody of the Department of State Services (DSS). He has a date in court later this month. Now, this is the full statement made by Ejiofor. Important notice: please, Chineke and teeming followers of our indefatigable client Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, this time should not be for any form of distraction. You all should rather be intensifying in your prayers and supplications to Almighty Chukwu Okike Abiama as the D-Day gradually approaches. Do not give in to mischief makers who are currently parading fake news that our client Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been transferred to India for whatever mischievous purpose they are insinuating. We were with him on Monday for pre-trial briefing, and we will still be with him tomorrow. Please, your eyes should always be on the ball. Do not be distracted at all. Remain strong in spirit and continue in your prayers and supplications. The federal government has no choice but to bring Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to court on the 21st day of October. It is explicit order of court. Thank you all and remain blessed. Now that is good to clear the air, because the news has been going round. The Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not well and has been transferred to India. Good to know that he's hale and hearty and may likely be present in the October 21 trial. Then back to the Sunday Igboho. Very quickly, Yomi Aliyu, lawyer to Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Adeyemo, otherwise known as Sunday Igboho, has again pleaded with the government of Benin Republic to immediately release the activist for urgent medical attention overseas. In an interview with BBC Yoruba, Aliyu said the Beninese government needed to allow the activist to seek medical treatment due to ill health. Aliyu added that the sickness troubling Igboho was not of little measure, and he needed both prayers and medical attention. According to the lawyer, the sickness started when the Department of State Services invaded Igboho's house in the Soka area of Ibadan, Oyo State. He said Igboho was not diagnosed with this sickness before he was arrested in Cotonou. It was so serious that they had to rush him to the hospital. I can't tell if he has been returned to the prison from the hospital, but what I know is he is battling ill health, and it seems his kidney and lungs are already being affected. Even though I cannot tell which part of his body the sickness has really affected, I know it has to do with his internal organs. Aliyu said the sickness started after operatives of the Department of Services invaded Igboho's house and while the activists were trying to escape the raid. Meanwhile, Igboho's lawyer and the Benin Republic Ibrahim Salami confirmed Igboho got injured during the DSS raid. Salami said Sunday Igboho is not sick, however, he got injured during the DSS raid on his house on July 1st, 2021. Since then, he has not been given adequate medical attention. His health has since deteriorated, and that was why he asked that he should be taken overseas for medical checkup. Now this is really strong. You could recall that the spokesperson, that you could recall that Oluyomi Koiki, Igboho's spokesperson, had said his principal was in urgent need of medical attention. A statement by Koiki titled, "On behalf of Chief Sunday Adeyemo, aka Igboho, called on the government of Benin Republic to grant Igboho permission to receive urgent medical attention." Igboho was arrested alongside his wife in Cotonou, Benin Republic by security operatives in the West African country on July 19 after fleeing Nigeria to evade arrest by Nigerian Secret Police. The DSS had declared Igboho wanted after its operative carried out a raid on his residence in Soka area of Ibadan, Oyo State, bringing down 2 people, arrested 12 ADs, but Igboho escaped. The DSS Public Relations Officer Peter Afunaya had advised Igboho to turn himself in. However, Igboho's wife has since been released from police custody, while Igboho remains in detention in a West African country. In another news, very quickly, the event that took place some hours ago, where the UGM was seen intercepting the convoy, while the information reaching us is that there are actually 2 places based on the correctional press release made by the media person of the Anambra State House. He said actually that the principal's convoy was not directly intercepted, but there was a rally going on in for ABGA in Ihiala, and now the military personnel reportedly stormed the school to search for the UGM after what happened some hours ago. In what will come across as a really settling development, some soldiers have been spotted in a viral video at nursing school in Ihiala, Anambra State. The military personnel reportedly stormed the school to search for UGM after what happened at ABGA gubernatorial election rally in the community. Residents who passed the school were seen raising their hands to show they have no equipment. Students of the school were also spotted running at some point in the video before events overtook themselves. Wow, you have heard what is going on. Nigeria is really getting tensed. And this is also good to know that the lead lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu has come to correct and debunk that statement that Nnamdi Kanu had been flown to India. He is not in India. He's very much in DSS custody. And according to the information coming from Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, he's hale and hearty and is actually having trial briefing with him. Hopefully that he will be present in the next court hearing. And Igboho, based on what Koike has said, that these lawyers are also insisting that Sunday Adeyemo needs medical attention as he's actually having internal injuries. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take? Do have a nice time.